So finally I left Khardungla. Oh my god. People say don't stay more than 10 minutes. Holy moly. I stayed like almost an hour. And this is all black ice. I'm riding on road, plain road. Oh, hero. Look at this hero. I just want to make some footage. That is how we are going to go. You see that route? That route? That is how we are going to go. And really wonderful experience. He wants me to go ahead. Okay, I will go ahead. That's fine. Road is good. Happy. Getting a slight headache because it was almost an hour. I'm actually staying over there, right? So getting a headache is like wow. Lovely mountains. Lovely mountains. That is how India is actually. People yet don't know how India is, right? Oh my god. And just to let you know guys, it's almost -5 to -6 degrees Celsius and I'm not feeling anything. I'm just feeling awesome. धीरे. Black ice is still here. I don't know if we will be stuck in Nubra. If it snows like couple of days, we are doomed. We will be stuck in Nubra then. Nubra or Pangong. Because it is a height, right? We have to pass through the height. ये लो कर लो बात तो आ गया रास्ता. Now I can feel it's -5 degrees Celsius because my hands are getting frozen. And I even got some ice as well. When we get some good roads, this is the one who's riding with me.
After taking many photos and pictures, me and Shiva, we had a quick coffee with a couple of biscuits. There was a small restaurant which is made for tourists and especially for army brothers who are our 24/7 at Khardungla top. So the side effects of high altitude, since we stayed there for almost hour and a half, it seems we started to talk irrelevant stuff with each other. This is what I started to observe, and even if you see in my video, the moment the altitude started to rise, I started to talk irrelevant. I started to forget words and sentences. This is just a few side effects of high altitude. So basically, whenever you are traveling, make sure you drink a lot of fluid, that is water, and try to stay calm and don't stay in such kind of high altitudes for a longer time. Even the tourists on the top who were traveling, there were a couple of people who faced high altitude problems. So luckily, the driver had oxygen tanks with them, so they kind of gave them a quick oxygen, and even we helped them to calm down a bit.
So the snow disappeared and it's getting a little bit warmer. That's good. because it has to get a little bit warmer. अच्छा है और रास्ता अपना ही है, इसलिए कहीं से भी जा सकते हैं। वरना एक खड्डे खड्डे में से जाना पड़ता अपने को। ठंड तो क्या जान ही रहे भाई, ठंड से बढ़ते जा रहे, उंगलियों में लग रही है ठंड। अपना जिंदगी घर था बहुत बड़ा, ठंड उंगलियों में लग रहा है अभी ठंड, क्योंकि हम आए हैं अभी जगह जहाँ पे पड़ी है बर्फ, ठंड ठंड। उतर लो भैया, कॉर्नर में से उतर लो, ठंड में बाइक चलाने का तो मजा कुछ और है। रास्ते तो है बड़े अच्छे, क्योंकि हम हैं अभी कच्चे बच्चे। करें क्या हम जाकर, नहीं नहीं बन रहा भाई। It is so damn cold that my hands are totally frozen. I can't like close anything now. These things are totally frozen. My fingers are totally frozen. I can't do anything. Peepani, 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 peepani. Just like in Canada, my hand gets frozen. This is exactly the same thing happening to me right now. My hands are getting frozen. I cannot eat anything. I don't know what to do. I need some tea, that is bonfire, so I can warm up my hands. Holy moly, no, it's good like there is no snow. But man, where is this guy now? I told him several times, don't wait on the road. On the road like that. He never listens. Never ever he listens to me. Ladakh. What the heck is this, Ladakh? Man, what the heck is this? This is so cold, man. I can't imagine. Oh my god, that's the reason why it's getting too cold. Now you can see these clouds, these are like rainy clouds. When they're going to fall over here, it's going to be snowfall. It's not like rain. These are black clouds. No man, please man, no. I don't want to be stuck over here. I want to get out of here, bro. I'm just over here to travel. Come on, don't do this to me. At least a couple of days, only 3 days more. 3 days more. 3 दिन, सिर्फ 3 दिन रुक भाई. 3 दिन मत बरस भाई. आओ ऊपर जो करना है को. North Pullu. North Pullu, South Pullu. Look at that mountain, man. Almost snowfall पूरा हो ही गया वहाँ पे, like full snow. It's just ये भागाता है, ये कभी रोकने वाला नहीं है, ये भागाता है. ये भागाएगा बस. बस भगाएगा ये. These guys are guarding our route, guys. I mean, it's such a cold. Damn, I cannot even talk. I don't know how they do it. I can't even talk. My hands are totally frozen. I told him several times, don't run. Don't run. Don't run. He never listens. He never listens, man. He is never going to listen. If you're going to change the world, then start with yourself. Yeah, for sure.